I finally decided to take the plunge and get rid of the hassle of glasses and contacts once and for all. Because of who I am, I need to research something to death before I do it. After researching all the medical data and hearing personal experiences and friends and acquaintances, I narrowed down my choices to 3 prominent and well-known surgery centers. Then I set out to interview each of them. I was pleasantly surprised at the outcome. Alabama Vision Center quickly rose right to the top. There are just so many reasons. The most important to me was the fact that they immediately made me feel comfortable. It's the way they go about their business. On the very first visit, it became apparent quickly that I was not just a number. They set about understanding my current vision in a series of tests. I met with Dr. Velasquez personally. His concern was my goal through surgery. With the tests in hand, he could accurately discuss whether my goals could be reached. This told me that the center and the doctor's bottom line was my satisfaction, not surgery for the sake of surgery. Once it was determined that I was a good LASIK candidate, I met with staff in various departments. At each step, they wanted to ensure I was completely understanding exactly what would happen on the day of surgery. Of course, it was absolutely no surprise to me when on the day of surgery, not a single step occurred, which they hadn't explained to me on that very first visit. The biggest and most unexpected surprise had to do with the follow-up visits. I had my choice. I could come back over the next year to Alabama Vision Center, or the center works with the doctors in the area to allow the patient a level of comfort, namely having their own primary eye care professional perform the after-surgery follow-up. The center makes sure that that eye doctor knows the signs of trouble, knows who to contact or escalate issues to, and most importantly, when things are going great. I chose to have my doctor, Dr. Chambers, do the follow-up exams. She knows my eyes, she's been there through my vision trials and tribulations, and she knows me. She see what to do my follow-up. She also did the day before final checkup. It was really funny. She and her assistant were more excited about my surgery than I was. Well, anyway, at the time. Throughout the year following the surgery, the center and Dr. Chambers have been and will continue to be in contact about every step of my recovery. It's been a great process. The last point in Alabama Vision Center's favor was the true bottom line, price. The center worked with my vision insurance provider to provide a discount. Along with their payment plan options, the surgery ended up being well within my budget. It is completely wonderful to wake up each morning being able to see the clock across the room. It's even better to have gone through the experience with a sense of ease and comfort. My hat is off to Alabama Vision Center, Dr. Velasquez, and of course, Dr. Chambers.